When we both do the same
Keď obaja
step,
robíme to isté, tak to
we
je
don't
duet.
touch each other.
Keď sa nechytáme, tak to je dueto.
Pas de deux is when I take you here, and you go into fifth position.
Toto je piatá pozícia.
And then you do fourth position.
Okay.
Yes. And then you pirouette.
Then I what?
You turn.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. That's a pas de deux.
Toto bolo pas de deux. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Ďakujem veľmi pekne. It's very nice.
That was completely unexpected.
Sorry?
No. We didn't prepare it.
To sme si nepripravovali. Myslím, že im to bolo jasné. I think it was quite obvious that we didn't prepare that. It didn't look like...
She was very good.
I'm very good. Thank you very much. Že som bola veľmi dobrá, tak snažila som sa.
Want to be Juliet?
Chce by som mohla byť Julia? Yes. Áno. Čo musím robiť? What do I have to do for this?
Well, come to the studio.
Come to the studio, OK, tak prídem do štúdia. Môj priateľ je tanečník, my boyfriend is a dancer, ballroom dancing.
Oh, I love that.
A on ma vie dvihnúť, he can lift me.
Oh, really?
So maybe... Yes. No. Is it unbelievable? Je to neuveriteľné.
No. I mean, because you're not a dancer.
Lebo nie ste tanečnička. Ale viem sa tak I can be very stiff if I want.
Well, but you good plié. Good plié is good lift.
Dobré plié je dobré dvíhanie. To znamená, že musím ísť dostatočne nízko.
Which means that if you don't plié, I can't lift you. Or it looks like I'm lifting this without the plié.
Aha, čiže keď neurobíte dobré plié, nemôžem vás dvihnúť, lebo potom to vyzerá, ako by som dvíhal tento stôl.
Can I show you?
No?
Can I show you?
Môžete mi ukázať. Áno? Okay.
So I want to lift you, right?
Moment. Don't lift this, okay?
So, if you don't make plié,
yes.
This is what is happening, you see?
Okay, takže keď neurobím plié, tak ma nedvihne ma.
If you do plié,
aj tak ma nedvihne. Okay.
You're right.
I'm fine. It's like a massage.
And now try to breathe.
Katka is offering doing plié. Katka sa ponúkla na plié, prepáčte sa to.
I think the most important thing about Romeo and Juliet nowadays
asi najdôležitejšia vec ohľadom Romea a Julie je, že
they still people ready to die for their love.
Že pripomína, že ľudia sú stále pripravení zomrieť pre lásku.
Yeah.
A to je láska, is that love?
Sort of.
Istý druh lásky to je.
But I think it's, it worth it.
Stojí to za to? Ale tak koľko oni mali rokov reálne v tom príbehu? How old were they in the story? Like 14, 15?
Well, we're talking about teens. Yeah.
Teenageri.
Yeah.
A tak ale teenageri zomierajú pre Justina Biebera. Teenagers die for Justin Bieber, I don't know if they know really what's worth it. Neviem, či úplne vedia, či to stojí za to.
Because they love Justin Bieber.
Alebo milujú Justina Biebera. Who will be Romeo and Juliet? Sú to naši tanečníci, alebo odkiaľ pochádzajú? Where are the dancers from, the solists?
Well, we're having a couple of guests coming from... He is Italian, Romeo is Italian.
Takže Romeo je Talian.
She's Albanian.
A ona je Albánka.
Yeah. She is Ambeta Toromani.
She's what?
Ambeta Toromani.
Aha, meno. Tak to sa volá slečna z Albánska.
And he is Alessandro Macario.
Alessandro Macario.
He's from Naples.
Very, very nice name.
Yeah.
We were talking about them before, a little bit, trošku sme sa o nich rozprávali predtým, and you mentioned, spomínali ste, že ona je pomerne vysoká, that she's pretty tall for Juliet.
She is, yeah, she is. Well, normally when we talk in Juliet in ballet, we mean very little dancer.
Keď hovoríme o Julii v balete, tak väčšinou hovoríme o veľmi malých tanečniciach.
Because Juliet is not Julia.
Julieta. Juliet, I'm sorry.
It's a little Julia. So
we have Julia in Slovak.
I know.
Aha, that's why I'm confused a little
bit. Also in Sweden. When I did it in Sweden was exactly the same. Romeo a Julia.
Aj vo Švédsku som robil Romeo a Juliu. Aha, to som si myslela, I thought they are like Hunstren and Chresten. No. A inak oni tvoria v súkromí pár, títo dvaja mladí ľudia, ktorých budete môcť vidieť aj v Romeovi a Julii. They are a couple in private life.
Yeah, sure.
And is it better for you to work with them, or does it cause more problems? Je to problematickejšie alebo lepšie pre vás s nimi spolupracovať?
We say, in Italian we say, tra moglie e marito non mettere il dito, which means...
Nevykláňajte sa z okien. What does it mean in it?
Well, between husband and wife, don't put any kind of, argue. Say dito is this finger. Don't put the finger in between husband and wife.
Takže nikdy nedávajte prst medzi muža a ženu, má to znamenať...
So, which means that they couldn't share anything.
Takže by nemali, couldn't share anything, I don't mean...
Well, I mean, they just have to
work.
To work out
Takže musia iba...
You can't just, be in between them.
Aha, čiže nemôže byť medzi nimi, musia pracovať spolu.
You just have to leave them.
Musíte ich nechať, aby si to oni sami všetko vyriešili.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Ale but you're the boss, ale vy ste šéf.
Yes, but the thing is that this works wonderfully on stage.
Že výborne to funguje na javisku, hlavne v tých romantických scénach.
Okay, but then to get there we have to rehearse.
Ale na to, aby sme sa k tomu dostali, musíme skúšať.
It's a little hard.
A skúšať si obdobie trošku tvrdé.
Because there is a lot of, don't pull me too much. No, you have to keep me
nechytaj ma
like this.
príliš, a
No,
neťahaj ma.
it's you.
Je to tvoja chyba, je to tvoja chyba.
It's all like... It's a bit of struggling, but
je to trošku taký ako súboj, ale dostávame sa k tomu. Niekedy na nich kričíte.
But then, on the other hand, you have, two lovers.
Ale na druhej strane máte tam dvoch milencov, ktorí sa naozaj milujú.
Sometimes you go and do the cast of Romeo and Juliet and you choose two dancers.
Na Romeo a Juliu vezmete dvoch, ktorí sa neznášajú.
And it just doesn't work.
A vôbec to nefunguje. Ale nemôže sa stať, že sa zalúbia počas toho, don't they fall in love during the rehearsal?
No.
Nie, asi nie.
No.